Hi guys! So, I'll be unboxing my little Hirono Brothers because I'm lonely. Let's unbox! Okay, the first one. Ooh, robot. Wow. Okay, box number 2. Let's go. Kidney robot. Who else? Ooh, Flo. Okay, Flo. Oops. Cute. No forehead. Okay. Okay, next one is this one. Okay. Oh, destroyer. Okay. Oh my god, another box set. Oh. Look at that detail. Here. Oh, never hide. Okay. Okay, next one. Here we go. Okay. So. Oh, Birdman. Oh my god, Birdman. Let's go for Birdman. Birdman. Oh my, that detail, so nice. Oh, have to put it. Ganda. Okay, after Birdman would be okay. So, oh, Pretender. Okay, Pretender. Let's go. Ah, so cute. Oh, cute. Oh my god. That is so cute. Hindi ko lang ba't ang cute, parang si Liar and si Monster, but he's much cuter. Oh my god, Pretender is much cuter, really. Oh my god, Cutin has that red eyes, like, okay, look at me, there you go. Cutin, that dinosaur on the head. Ah, the detail. Cannot. Okay, there go Pretender. Okay, after Pretender, it would be this box. Okay, medyo loka. No shit. Oh, loose fish. Next is loose fish. What's that? Oh, I see. That detail. Oh my god, so cute. Parang si Echo lang. Okay. Lagay ko siya dito. nahulog. Those fish. You hold your fish here. Okay, there you go. Cute. Okay, after those fish, who's next? This box. Boiling frog, okay. Shells. Cute. Para lang siyang nililigo. Okay, after boiling frog, we have yes. Ooh, Persona. I'm looking after with this Persona kasi parang ang ganda niya. Let's go. Sabi niya, there's always something you will not cherish until you lose it. Huh? Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, that detail. Nakita niyo ba yung detail dyan sa balloon? Ang ganda. Is this really like this one? Parang bagong gising lang siya. Oh, the detail, guys. Look. How much detail is that? Persona here. Oh. So after Persona, we're gonna have rug picker. Oh my god, rug picker. Yes. On top. Rug picker. I love this. Ito si 7-Eleven boy. Oh my god. That much detail. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Galing siyang 7-Eleven, guys. Supermarket. Hirona Supermarket. Shit. Ganda. Here. See? How much detail is that? I like. Okay, last 3 on my collection of Little Miss J. Here we go. Oh, protector. Oh my god. Tapos kung magkakasunod yung mga mga rug picker and protector. Oh my god. Here we go. I really love it. Yes, here we go. Cute. Look at that. So here guys, nagagalaw siya. Pwede niyang takpan yung mata ni protector. Oh. I want her eyes up. Okay. That's the last one, guys. Aviator. Oh my god. Aviator. Tira. Naka-plastic si Aviator. Okay. Cute. Look at that detail. Ikot siya. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So, ayun. Hi guys. So, complete na ang aking brothers and sisters.